Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone vibration not working after iOS 17 update. So guys, is your iPhone vibration not working after iOS 17 update? Many users have complained that their iPhone is not vibrating in ring or doesn't vibrating while on silent. In this video, I will show you how you can easily fix vibration not working problem on iPhone after the new iOS 17 update. First of all, make sure vibration is enabled on your iPhone. Before trying any other troubleshooting steps, you need to make sure vibration is turned on. Open the setting apps, then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap on touch and now here you can see option vibration. If it's turned off, simply turn it on. After doing this, you have to change the vibration pattern. If your iOS 17 device is not vibrating after trying the above solution, make sure you have selected a vibration pattern. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now go to sound and haptics. Now tap on ringtone. You can see your option haptics and select the vibration you want to select. After doing this and you are still facing the vibrating issue again and again, then take off your iPhone case. If you are using any magnetic cover on your iPhone, it can cause problem with vibration. Remove the cover and it should fix the problem. After removing your iPhone case and you are still facing same issue, then you can try solution number 4. Disable do not disturb and low power mode. If do not disturb mode or low power mode is turned on your iOS 17 device, then your vibration might not work. Make sure you have turned them off. For turning them off, simply you have to go to your control panel, control center. You can see here option do not disturb and low power mode option. If these tools are on, then simply turn them off. So guys, after applying these all methods and you're still facing same issue, then you can restart your iPhone. Sometimes vibrating not work after iOS 17 update problem can happen due to some minor software glitch. Give your iPhone a start and it should fix the issue. For restarting your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your device and you are still facing vibrating issue again and again, then you can try last solution, reset all iPhone settings on your iPhone. If nothing else work, it's time to reset all settings on your iPhone. This problem can happen due to some things malfunction that can be fixed by performing a reset. For restarting your iPhone, simply you have to go to your general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.